How to add text behind in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's say we have a video clip and we would like to add a text behind here like so. Simply put, add a text or create a text layer by clicking T on your keyboard, drag, hold, and type in whatever it is. Now make sure that this is dragged up a video layer, and now your video clip, click, hold, and select Alt so it drags it like so, and then drag the text layer beneath. And now on top of the video layer, click, go to effects and type in color space key, drag this on top to the new video or the duplicated clip, go to effects control, underneath color key, click the drop down arrow and click the eyedropper tool. Click on a color that you would like to dissipate or to add behind. We'll click behind our character or to the side, and now under color tolerance, drag this to the right, and as you can see, the text is added behind in Adobe Premiere Pro.